So welcome back. I'm ready to work, and I hope you are too. We've set the atmosphere, we have our music, and I have my water. So let's get started. Now it's time to sort. We're going to remove all excess hangers and separate our tops, bottoms, dresses, etc. We're going to set the timer for 20 minutes, and I'll see you shortly. So we're back. As you can see, we've removed all the excess hangers. You'd be amazed at how much space hangers take up. Now I'm 95% sure that you'll have more space in your closet once you remove all the excess hangers. However, if you don't, depending upon the volume of clothes in your closet, you may have to remove some items in order to do the sorting. But let's begin with our tops. As you can see, this process is fairly simple. All we really have to do is put all of our tops in one place. So wherever your tops are, as you go through, you just set them into one pile. You go through, remove your tops. Let's see, I have some over here. So the process is fairly simple. You just repeat the same process with your bottoms, your dresses, your jackets, etc. The categories you use is totally up to you. What's comfortable for you and what is natural as you operate in your own closet. So now let's look at our sorted closet. We first have our tops, and at this point we have all sleeve lengths and colors. Next, we have our skirts. We have our dresses. We have our two pieces and suits. We have our coats, sweaters, and pants. So let's review by looking at some key teaching moments. Remember, you have to make it fun. Music always helps to make the time go by faster, and consider inviting a friend over to keep you company. Water is critical. It can be very easy to get dehydrated, and fatigue will set in, and that's just not good. Please stop when the timer goes off. You will be amazed at how long 20 minutes can be. If you expel all your energy at once, you won't want to continue later. Trust me. Everyone's closet is different. The degrees of clutter will vary, and so will the time needed for each step of the process. So please don't get discouraged. Your next assignment is to upload a photo or 30-second video of your closet after you've sorted. In addition, please give us a brief description of the categories you used. Remember, everyone's closet is different, so you may not have sorted in the same categories that we have. So let us know in what order your clothes are in now. Again, if you have any questions at any time, feel free to get in contact with me. And feedback is always welcome. Take care.